Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sezzle payments for installment sales in the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Sezzle payments for installment sales in the USA, first, visit the Sezzle website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the application form with your business details. Provide your email, business name, and contact information. Select your business type from the available options. Next, enter your business address and phone number. You will then need to provide your tax identification number. Upload any required documents that verify your business. After filling in all information, review and submit your application. Wait for Sezzle to review your application. This process can take a few minutes to several days. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email from Sezzle. Log into your Sezzle merchant dashboard using your credentials. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings tab. Find the option for payment methods and select Sezzle. Enable Sezzle payments for your store. You may need to integrate Sezzle with your e-commerce platform. Follow the platform-specific integration instructions provided by Sezzle. Once integrated, customize your payment settings as needed. Test the Sezzle option on your website to ensure it is functioning properly. You are now ready to offer Sezzle payments for your customers. This allows them to make purchases in installments. Monitor your dashboard for sales and insights related to Sezzle payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.